Hello customers, this is Jimmy over here at FalconEye. I'm doing a video today to talk about our 2 to 4 cam wireless system with a 9-inch screen DVR. You're at our website, so this is the product page. It's our 2nd gen 960p 2 to 4 camera wireless system. This system starts with 2 cameras, but you can add a 3rd and 4th camera upon purchase or at any point in the future. The LCD can handle up to 4 cameras. This system is a wireless system, which means the cameras have a 200-foot wireless range from the camera to the LCD. Now obviously that's in an open field, so if you're installing this on a tractor trailer or some sort of operation like that, it might not be right at 200 feet, but you're going to be able to use this for practically any truck and trailer operation. We even have customers that are carrying oversized loads of 100+ feet that are successfully using this system for their operation. So today I'm just going to kind of go over some of the basics of the system. I'm going to cover the features and benefits, show you some of the product, show you how to order it, and hopefully after this video you'll understand this product to see if it fits what you're looking for. As always, if you ever need to call us, at the top of our website we have our phone number here. You can call us Monday through Friday, and our sales representatives can help you answer questions to ensure that this is the right product for your budget. So let's get started. So 2nd gen 4-channel system. So as I mentioned earlier, this system can handle up to 4 cameras. You'll see at the top of the website, this price here reflects 2 wireless cameras. If you'd like to get a 3rd camera, you're going to change this drop down, and a 4th camera, you'll change this drop down. So you see the price changes as you increase the number of cameras. You can start with 2, and you can always add more cameras in the future. Now these cameras are heavy duty commercial grade cameras, incredible night vision, low light video, and they're 960p, so they're very close to 1080p. They're high definition cameras. Here's an example of what the camera looks like, so you can kind of see it here. This camera has 20 infrared lights, 10 on each side. It has a sensor in the middle, so when that sensor detects low light, the infrared lights are going to light up and give you about 30 to 35 feet of visibility. This mount can be rotated to go behind the camera or above the camera. This antenna can pretty much point any direction based on how you install it. It can kind of spin around, and you can mount this anywhere you want. You're going to say, well, why is there a wire if it's wireless? Well, that's true. Every wireless camera still needs power in order to turn on the infrared lights and for the transmitter. So this camera system has a 12-volt hardwire cable that you're going to hook up to any 12 to 24 volt power source. And this has got a red and black power source you see here. So you're going to piggyback off the red, any 12 to 24 volt power source for positive, and the black's going to be for ground. So where you're installing this camera, you're going to piggyback off of that power. Could be running lights, heaters for your mirrors, what have you. And then it's wireless. No other wires are going to connect this to the LCD up to about 200 or 250 feet. You're going to get 2 of these cameras, and with the antennas, or more if you select more, and you're going to get the 9-inch screen. This 9-inch screen has got a sun shield that you see here to protect it against the sun. It's got buttons at the bottom that's going to allow you to change the viewpoints. As you see on the picture on the product, it can go quad screen if you got 4 cameras. If you got 2 cameras, you can go split screen. If you got 3 cameras, it can go tri-screen. You can always isolate a camera in full screen. So let's say you got a 4 camera setup, but you're backing in and you want to isolate a particular camera. You can press a button here or on the remote control we give you, and you can easily go to full screen on a particular camera, and you can rotate that viewpoint with touching the button here on the remote. It comes with a U-bracket, a heavy duty metal U-bracket that you can mount underneath it, behind it, and you also can hang this upside down if you like from the headliner, and then you can rotate the images on the screen. On the side of the camera, this is where the SD card is inserted. This unit can use up to a 256 gig SD card. The larger the SD card, the more video that is stored before it loops. For example, if you have a 64 gig card, that's going to store around 12 to 14 hours. A 128 will store about 24 to 28 hours, and a 256 will store about 50 plus hours. Once the SD card is full, it's going to loop record, delete an old video with new video. In order for the DVR, the digital video recorder, to record, you do have to insert the SD card. You can buy that SD card from us during purchase, or you can supply your own. It is a full-size SD card, so you either need a larger SD card or you need a micro SD card with an adapter. This is an example of a larger SD card. This is the example of a micro SD card. So if you have the micro SD card, you're going to need an adapter. An adapter typically comes with the micro that you can insert the micro card and insert the larger SD card in it. So this gives you kind of an idea of the memory card you need. You basically just need a class 10 or above for that SD card. Let's see a couple other things. The monitor has a power cable at the end, and it also includes a 12-volt hardwire cable. So you're going to go behind the dash into the fuse box, directly to the battery, and you're going to hook the power to this monitor up to that power source. Once the monitor has power and the cameras have power, it takes about a half a second or a little bit less, and the cameras will automatically pair to that monitor and display what's on the screen. And if there's an SD card inserted, it will start to record immediately. If you have 2, 3, 4 cameras, it's going to record 2, 3, 4 channels, videos of each camera on the SD card. So when you do need to access those videos, if you're in an accident or what have you, you'll have all the camera viewpoints recorded. Let's kind of go through some of the options as you purchase. Like I mentioned earlier, you can choose the number of cameras upon purchase, and that's going to change the price that you see up at the top of the website. You can go with no memory and provide your own memory, or you can add memory. You see 64 gig adds $18 before discount, 128 is $29, 256 is $55. So you can choose the memory upon discount. And then you got the replacement warranties. This includes a 1-year warranty that comes with this product that doesn't cost you anything. That's a manufacturer defect. You can add a 2-year or 3-year replacement warranty. 3-year warranty is going to cover anything and everything for a period of 3 years. Literally, you could run the unit over with a lawnmower, get in an accident, and the unit catches fire, and you'll get a brand new unit, no deductible. And your costs on that, if you jump up from a 2-year to 3-year, I always recommend going 3-year if you're going to add the warranty. You see the price difference doesn't change much. Now, if you wanted one of the cameras to be mobile and portable, or you don't have access to 12 to 24 volt power source, you can add a 10 to 12 hour rechargeable weatherproof battery. This battery kit is very durable, construction, heavy duty, weatherproof, and we include an AC and a DC charger to charge the battery, and now you can hook that up to the camera, and that will power the camera rather than a 12 to 24 volt power source. So that's that accessory. We also offer a 60-pound magnet. This magnet can hold up to 60 pounds of force before it's going to become dislodged. So there's no way during normal driving and normal conditions that a camera or a magnet or the battery, I meant to say, is going to be dislodged. If you do want a completely portable system, you want a camera that you can move from trailer to trailer, location to location, you're going to want to add 1 battery and 2 magnets. One of the magnets is going to be for the battery, and one of the magnets is going to be for the camera. And that's going to mean that particular camera literally is a 5-second install. You just plug in the battery to the camera, turn on the battery, and now you have service to that camera. Last thing, we also offer magnetic signs. These magnetic signs are 4-inch by 5-inch magnetic signs, but basically tell customers, potential thieves, vandals, that you have a camera system. You might want that in case someone's thinking about breaking in. They might see this sign that says security notice, and it's going to keep them from breaking in. Once you determine all the features you want, you're just going to hit add to cart, and then you're going to follow the on-screen instructions. One thing to keep in mind, almost at all times, we have a discount. Our discount that we are offering today on February 15, 2022 is our end of winter, which is a 10% off and free shipping. So these prices you see displayed here is going to be before the 10% off. So once you get to the final screen after you enter your billing and shipping address, you're going to enter this promo code. Today it's easy 10, but it could be a different promo code depending upon when you come onto the website in the future. So just scroll up to the top of the website or scroll down to the bottom of the website and click on the end of winter sale or whatever promo we have then. Probably next is going to be our St. Patrick's Day sale, and then it might be Easter, what have you. So there's usually some sort of sale where you can save 5, 10, 15% off the particular price. Let me kind of go through the product page real quick to make sure I covered everything. This system is going to allow you to have a 9-inch screen. It's going to allow you to have up to 4 viewpoints, and you're going to be able to prove what happened. No more he said, she said. You can add up to a 256 gig card, and this 256 gig card or lower is going to loop record, delete an old video with new video. Wireless range is 200 to 300 feet. In a setting like what you're going to be using, you're probably looking at 150 plus feet because it's got to go through metal, so your range is a little bit less, but no problem with almost every situation out there. Keep in mind, if you do get the wireless camera system and for whatever reason you have technology on your truck or system that causes interference, which is very, very rare, it's probably a 1 or 2% chance, don't worry about that. You can send it back and get a full refund, or we got boosters and other accessories that might be able to help get this system working for your particular operation. We got portable capabilities with battery magnets that's available, free shipping. We ship out same day if the order is by 1 p.m. Monday through Friday Central Time, and we got a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. You can also go through all the other features that you see listed here. You also click on these tabs. There's all the specs of the product. You got specs of the camera, specs of the LCD. Here's some videos that you can watch. We got some videos that other customers have shared with us. You can definitely watch those videos. Here's what is all included with it. I pretty much have showed you everything, but you can take a look at that. And on the extra tab, here's the instruction manual, instruction videos, quick start guide. We have those available for you. So that is pretty much this product and this system. If you got any questions, please call us at this number above on the website. You can email us as well. You can also text this number if you want to text, and you can ask questions. We can receive calls or text. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps determine if this is the right system for you. If not, we have a lot of other systems. Come back and look at our multicam systems, live streaming systems, backup cameras if you're looking for something that doesn't record. We hope we can earn your business in the future. Thanks again.